Delkor's Performance Series case packing line for spices. With best-in-class changeovers and intelligent case packing, this line is built to maximize throughput and minimize downtime, ensuring your production runs at peak performance. Whether you're running plastic bottles, glass jars, or specialty containers, the Performance Series case packer gives you the flexibility you need. This machine uses Delkor's patented Intelligent Synchronization technology to eliminate collation chains and guides, allowing for high-speed, precise pick-and-place operations with minimal change parts. Packing up to 250 products per minute, this compact and flexible case packer accommodates a wide range of products, including both stable and unstable containers. Spend less time changing over and more time producing. With 5-minute full-line toolless changeovers, you can change formats and SKUs quickly and efficiently. And with Delkor's available smart lock technology, simplify changeovers even more. From case forming to palletizing, Delkor excels at full system integration and greenfield projects. Our highly trained engineers are here to partner with you to build your perfect spice packaging line together. Visit delkorsystems.com to learn more. Delkor, smarter packaging starts here.